Beautiful sunny skies everywhere on this Thursday, but that didn't stop the temperature from being on the chilly side, especially early on. It was frosty just about everywhere, below freezing in some cases by several degrees, but we have rebounded. We've recovered nicely. 7 in London, 4 in Wyerton and Peterborough, 2 still in Ottawa and Montreal. And with high pressure remaining overhead, the winds are a lot lighter, but already we're starting to see a change for the positive. 8 degrees warmer today versus yesterday in Sault Ste. Marie. Sudbury, 9 degrees warmer. We're right around where we were yesterday here, or Lake Ontario, Niagara region as well, but there are milder days ahead. Not before one more night where it could get frosty, and we do have frost advisories in the 3 locations where the growing season typically starts on the 25th of April, at least that officially according to Environment Canada. So as we go through the afternoon, the sun will be out. It'll be with us again tomorrow. It is warming up. Your 7 days still ahead.
The Montreal arson.
Check out that sky color. It's what you get when you have high pressure that originated in the Arctic. Thankfully, we're not January. We are in late April, and during the day, that sunshine helps us out. It warms the ground, it warms the layer right above the ground, and that's where our thermometers are. And currently, we're dealing with about a 6-degree temperature. We will peak at 9 this afternoon under those sunny skies, and then that wind starts to go light again tonight, and that's a problem because light winds, clear skies, low humidity will lead to another round of frost before we start to see things warm up, hopefully permanently, starting on Friday. It's 5 degrees in Toronto, 2 in Quebec City, 2 also in Halifax, much milder in Winnipeg and Saskatoon, mid-teens, and it's still early in the day for them. So they are seeing some of the effects around this high pressure area, the southerly flow that's taking over. Big severe weather day, the first of many south of the border. We're going to keep an eye on Oklahoma, Kansas, even into Texas. For us, it's frost, and tonight the temperature dropping down very similar to what we had last night, so frost advisories remain in place. And for tomorrow, another beautiful sunny day. But for how long? Here comes the clouds late Friday. Unfortunately, Saturday looks quite wet. We've got rain that could be heavy at times, and then it tapers off, but maybe a thunderstorm Saturday night before temperatures climb, reaching 25 degrees. That is the warmest we have seen so far this year, and then it remains above seasonal Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, even Thursday, a high of 16 degrees. There will, however, be rain chances with that mild air, and a humidex, by the way, on Sunday of 30. A humidex! We go from wind chill to humidex. 18 Saturday in Montreal, 19 on Sunday. Not quite as warm, but here too, above seasonal temperatures expected once we get through one more cold night tonight. And that is a look at your forecast. Candace?
Okay, great. Thanks, Anthony. And thank you at home for tuning into Global News.
Days, things are finally looking a little warmer. Let's get more on that now in Bill's first look at the local forecast. Hi, Bill.
Hi, Bill. Yeah, looking forward to a rise in temperature, but we pay the price with some showers. Not right away, but we will get into that wet weather. Cool and clear tonight, down to about 0. So I would call that seasonal for an overnight low. We're not into the minus range where we have been last couple nights. 13 for a high tomorrow. The seasonal average is about 14, so I would call that seasonal. Southeasterly winds now, not the northerly, and that's what's bringing the better temperatures in. Lots of sunshine. But that will change as we roll into the weekend. Go figure. Looks like an increase in cloud and some showers developing. It could be wet weather on and off for a few days. I'll have details for you in just a moment.
First Windows and Doors. For premium products, award-winning service, and professional installations, visit aubin.com.
It's brought to you by your locally owned Midas in Belleville, Brockville, and Kingston. With the industry's best warranties and over 1,000 5-star reviews, come and experience the Midas difference.
We have a couple lows heading our way, bringing us some wet weather, but we'll get one more day of sunshine in and better temperatures too. It was a little on the cool side last couple days as it cleared up, but tomorrow we're going to hang on to that sunshine and see that rise in temperatures, seasonal at the very least. 13 what we're expecting in Kingston. 14 is the seasonal average. I would call that seasonal then. Showers developing Saturday though, and depending on where you are, east or west, depends on when those showers will kick in. For some of us, it's sort of midday. Others, maybe a little later in the afternoon. But we will all get a taste of that wet weather through the evening and overnight. Definitely, any probability of showers will probably turn to rain. And then after sometime in the evening, we're going to find that probability diminish. And then just a chance of showers over Sunday and Monday as we hang on to those not just mild, but warm temperatures. That push from the south is going to bring daytime highs up over 20 degrees. In some places. It's about time. I can just hear you at home now yelling at me. Well, what kept you, Bill? Cool conditions today, but that's all changing. 6 in Kingston, 8 in Belleville. We probably had closer to a 9 north of the 401. That's what they had in Brockville, Smiths Falls, 8 in Ottawa. The same for Belleville, 10 in Peterborough, 7 in Oshawa, and an 8 in Toronto today. So everybody dropped. Everybody saw a drop in temperatures over the last couple days. 6 degrees is where we're sitting now. Southerly winds moving in at 15 kilometers per hour, reported at Norman Rogers at the top of the hour. Sunny skies still, and hanging on to those clear conditions through the overnight and through the day tomorrow. That high pressure, not one, not two, but 3 of them, sort of dominating the sort of lower Great Lakes area and through central Quebec right now. No precipitation today, but we've crossed the 14-hour mark for daylight length. A couple more minutes, just sort of making those days longer. So there's the 3 areas of high pressure boiled down to 2 in our region eventually. So we've got the triangle here, 3 centers, which are you know, keeping things fairly clear, but they will diminish down to 2 and tracking east, allowing this low to move in and bring a whole lot of rain. It's a rain event. Areas in northwestern Ontario likely to see snow and mixed precipitation, but for the most part, this is rain for anybody in southern and eastern Ontario, southern Quebec as well. This low, as it moves through, the bulk of the rain probably wrapping up late in the day. However, we'll see that probability hang on, and you may have noticed that other low in behind me there. That's likely to move in. We could see precipitation hanging on for a bit. So there's a beautiful day for you tomorrow. That increase in cloud rolls in early Saturday morning. And then the showers in the Belleville-Kingston area, it's kind of around noon, late morning, early afternoon when we start to see the showers. And then by the supper hour, that rain sort of diminishes to chance of showers, and that's what you'll see through Sunday as well, a chance of showers. It's going to drop to about 60%, Quinty, with some sunshine. But look at those temperatures climb. By Sunday, you'll be up to a 22 for a daytime high. Brockville up to 14 and sunny tomorrow, 18 on Saturday. You've got, yeah, that chance of showers moving back in again, probably through the morning and then again in the late afternoon. Sunday, it's a high 21 and a 70% chance of showers. Smiths Falls a high 14 and sunny for Saturday, mostly cloudy, and you got a high of 18. And yes, definitely looking at some showers to kick in through the afternoon. Sunday a high 22, 80% chance of showers. And in Belleville, or Kingston rather, 13 for a high over the next couple of days. Sunny skies tomorrow, but that cloud and showers moving in quickly on Saturday. So the cloud early morning and showers by about noon. Sunday, a mix of sun and cloud and still hanging on to a probability of showers. 60% through your mostly cloudy morning, but by the afternoon, that's where we get the break in the cloud. Come Monday, though, an increase in cloud with a high of 18 leads to showers again Tuesday as that other secondary low moving in from the south reaches us, helping to maintain those seasonal or just above seasonal temperatures up to 16 on Tuesday. Wednesday up to 15 and a mix of sun and cloud, and a chance of showers returns on Thursday of next week. A high of 14. Now your weather wallpaper.
Weather Wallpaper is brought to you by Christine Geary's Maple Leaf Tours Travel Cruise. Visit mapleleaftours.com to get into the picture.
Mark Hopper of Belleville sends this picture of the moon over the Skyway Bridge in Belleville. Very, very nice. It has sort of a pink hue to it. Very, Very nice picture, Mark. Thanks for sharing. If you've got photos, send them to us at submissions@ckwstv.com.
In fact, I think they call that a pink moon when it was a pink full moon.
Yes.
Bill, temperatures closing in, if not over 20 Celsius. Would that be our warmest day of the year so far, do you think?
Well, I think we were in some parts of eastern Ontario 2021-22 about 3 or 4 weeks ago.
Okay.
So, yeah.
But
let me check, because that may have occurred before spring actually kicked in. So for this season, the official spring season, yes, you may be right. This may be the warmest days.
Well, I do recall we were setting records back in March.
Yes,
for
before.
daytime highs.
Yeah.
Still, it's nice to see, finally, spring temperatures catching up with the season there. And we'll find out what the trend is in the 10-day outlook a little bit later. Thank you, Bill. 5 more days in April and the first 5 days of May in the 10-day outlook, Bill.
And pleasant temperatures, too. We're going to see those temps come up a bit. 13 for the next couple days for daytime highs, and lots of sunshine tomorrow. What a gorgeous day. Come Saturday, though, the cloud increases quite early. Showers in the Belleville-Kingston area starting at around noonish, and then we'll probably find that probability continue till the evening. It drops off. Then we see a redevelopment of showers again Sunday morning. That will diminish again Sunday night. Monday, a high of 18, increase in cloud again, and a chance of showers come Tuesday. Wednesday, high 15, and you've got a mix of sun and cloud. The chance of showers returning Thursday, temperature slipping again, high of 11 on Friday with more showers, mostly cloudy. Saturday, high 12, and Sunday of next week, a high of 13, and a mix of sun and cloud.
So there will be some rain-free periods this weekend, Bill. Not
yes.
a total wash.
So we're going to have a few dry days in a row, which is going to be nice, and nice to see those temperatures coming up as well.
Okay, we'll be right back.
Brought to you by your locally owned Midas of Eastern Ontario, with lifetime guarantees on brakes, suspension, exhaust, and now on tires. Come and experience the Midas difference.
Some wet weather rolling in soon, but with that comes some better temperatures. Yes, we're going to return to those double-digit highs that we've been missing. 6 today at best. Probably feeling a little cooler than that. Now, north of the 401, it was probably closer to the 9 they had in Brockville, Smiths Falls, and 8 in Ottawa today. The same for Belleville, 10 in Peterborough, 7 in Oshawa, and 8 in Toronto. Everybody below normal. We should be doubling that. 0 for a low tonight as we see clear conditions. Lots of sunshine tomorrow with a high of 13. Does look as if that cloud's going to increase, and the chance of showers rolling in for Saturday. I'll have the full forecast for you in just a moment.
Haven Home.
Tomorrow you're up to 13 again on Saturday with a good chance of showers or periods of rain. Come Sunday, a mix of sun and cloud with a high of 19, 60% chance of showers through the morning. That reduces to 40% afternoon, and that's when you're going to see the break in the cloud mostly, when you'll get that mix of sun and cloud. Monday, an increase in cloud again, a high of 18, up to 16 on Tuesday as showers move in. Mix of sun and cloud Wednesday with a high of 15. You rise to 14 Thursday and another chance of showers.